Okay, welcome back. Welcome to video number 4. This is all about your launch party. So you are a brand new Scentsy consultant. You should be telling the entire world that you are now the Scentsy go-to queen or king, okay? So you are the Scentsy guru. You are the knowledgeable one. You are the one that is in charge of the success in your business. So the number one thing that you can do to have a successful business is a launch party. A launch party is a must, okay? So you might be thinking, Amber, I can't do a launch party. I don't like people. I don't know what to do with my hands. Okay. It gets easier as you keep going. So you have to have a launch party. Okay. So just listen to me. Take a deep breath. We're going to count to 3. We're going to do it together. So I'm going to teach you some tricks how to have a launch party. If you are local to me, I will be doing your launch party in person for you. If you are not local to me, I will be helping you out with an online version of it. But I do want you to still have an in-person event, because the number one thing that you need to do to have a successful business is get this in people's faces. This is the catalog. And you need to get these bad boys underneath people's noses, okay? So it does not matter what kit you joined with, whether you did the host to join kit, whether you did the $99 kit, you have testers. These testers are going to be your best friend. Do not let them collect dust. They are going to be what drives your business, drives your sales, and gets people falling in love with the product. So what are you going to do to start off for your launch party? Okay. So remember, we want to hit shooting star. Shooting star in your first 15 days is that first 500 PRV. So it's very important that you have your launch party within your first 13 days of your business. So that gives you 2 extra days to get more sales if you don't quite hit that 500 mark, so you can ensure that you hit shooting star. So what you need to do, you need to plan what day you are going to have people come over your house. You are going to have people come over your house, or you're going to do it at a coffee shop. I don't care where you do it, but you need to have people get together, because there is power in getting this in people's hands and these underneath people's noses. So you need to pick a date. We can talk about it, but you need to pick a date that people are going to come over. Like I said, if you are not local to me, we will be doing an online version of this, but it is important that you also have people come over, smell things, and all of that. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to plan that. You're going to plan a date. Next, my top tips with doing a launch party. I've had these containers since I first started back in 2016. I can't even remember where I got them. Probably the dollar store, Dollar Tree. Have bowls from your kitchen, stuff that you're not using. If you have kids, use some little Tupperware. It doesn't really matter. What I like to do is I take my testers and I like to look at the categories that are in the catalog, okay? So citrus, floral, fruity, fresh, woods, spice, bakery, new releases, holiday. You choose how you want to separate them, but what I really like to do is, right now it's fall and winter time. I like to take the fall testers and put those in one container. Another container, I like to put the testers that are really like wintry, so like the pine, spruce, cinnamon. Then I like to do one that has usually like the OG smell, so the fresh and fruity that are still around. I do the same for spring and summer too, so I do like new releases, I'll do the fresh ones, and sometimes bakery ones too. I change up how I like to separate the scent, so that way if somebody's asking me where a scent is, and I've been doing this for so long, you will become very accustomed to what scent is in what category. You can just hand them. Oh, well, you like fall smells? Here's a lot of bakery smells in here. Here's a lot of bakery smells that you would love in your kitchen that smell like, I don't know, there's pumpkin ones in here, okay? You can give that to them. You know where that is. Something else you have received in your starter kit. These are product list sheets. These are the best thing to mail out, give out. They're cheap. They come wrapped like this. You can pull them apart. But what I like to do, done this since I first started. When I first started, my sponsor came down and did my launch party for me, but I have done home parties since the day I started Scentsy in 2016. That's how I really built my customer base. That's how I started my business. That's how I ran my business up until COVID happened in 2020. And then I switched more to online parties. But I love home parties, okay? So go to your local Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, yes, the one that has the green sign. So what I did, or you can go anywhere, Walmart, really, Amazon, I went and bought 3 ring binders, okay? 3 ring binders. The only thing that had to make sure is that they had pockets, okay? So what I did, I bought a few of them. I think I bought like 5. I took scissors, I cut off the front, I cut off the back. So if you can imagine there's spines right here. I cut off the front, I cut off the back. And then where the pocket is, I just put some stickers on there. This has my main name on it. So these are very old. And then what I do, I rip off a product list sheet. I fold it up. I have it right here in the pocket. And then I have a whole bunch of pins that I also got from the dollar store. That way, whenever people are coming in, they're smelling. And my dog is probably going to wake up my son. The monitor right beside me. Definitely. Bailey! Y'all bear with me. Bailey! Come here. Okay. We're going to ignore that. We're going to ignore it. This is real life. Take the pins. You can give them a pin. Hand them this. But in the back of this is why I love this so much. Every single scent that is out for the season is on there. Okay? So what I tell them that they can do, they can write their name on this, they can circle, they can star, they can heart, they can do whatever they want to do. So when they're smelling through these testers, all they have to do is go, okay, oh my gosh, I really loved Amazon Rain. They can circle it, okay? So that is there for them. Highly recommend doing that. And it makes it very easy for them to have one spot where they can see, oh my gosh, I really loved that warmer. Oh, and I love that one too. Okay. So this has it in one spot for them. So hope that was helpful. But what you're going to do, you are going to, hand that out to everybody. Let everybody smell everything. Let everybody mingle. Let everybody get to know each other and talk about Scentsy. You don't have to have all of the products. You don't have to have anything but like a warmer. Okay. If you joined and you've never even used the products, then you can use what came in your starter kit. But I would have at least a warmer, a mini warmer, some type of pod system out to show them what that is. And just so they can have it, see it, touch it, and smell it. So from there, you are going to be watching the next video to see how you need to enter in party orders, how to open your party. I'm going to walk you through all of that on Workstation. And another tip for you is that the bundle and save, what I do at parties, the bundle and save option is going to be your customer's best friend, is how they save money. So go ahead and be the best consultant you can be. And I personally, I have this printed off and I have it laminated. So when I have parties, this is in people's faces. But what I also do is I direct people to this. Okay. It's in the back of every single catalog. So that they are not just getting 1 bar. They're not just getting 2 bars. They're doing a 3-pack or a 6-pack. 6-pack is always what I push people to get. If they're brand new to Scentsy, the best thing they can do is a Scentsy system or a perfect Scentsy system. So bundle and save is going to be your best friend. But have a lot of fun. Scentsy's a great time. Everybody loves Scentsy. People can connect over scent. And be yourself.